indispensable technology in pursuing CO2 emission reduction and further energy-saving properties. This is inverter technology. The inverter can fulfill high-efficiency energy saving by varying revolution speed of compressor depending on situations and heat load. The DAIKIN inverter can always be operated at the suitable number of revolutions according to the situation. Also, another energy saving becomes possible by adopting DAIKIN DC motor, unique to DAIKIN. The feature of the DAIKIN DC motor is to use neodymium magnet, which has a greater magnetic force, about 10 times as high as that of ferrite magnet, in general use. Then, by employing structure in which neodymium magnet is internally embedded, rotational force is generated additionally by magnetic force. From this fact, it becomes possible to increase rotational limit more than twice, which was an issue to conventional motor. Even in a wide range from low speed to high speed revolution, without sacrificing high efficiency characteristics in low to medium speed revolution zone, DAIKIN DC motor provides high efficient running performance. Higher efficiency than AC motors result is obvious, especially in low speed revolution zone. Much higher COP to conventional AC inverter is available. DAIKIN inverter technology. Save energy.